In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove lines in WPS Office. This is a common issue many users encounter when working on documents, especially after formatting text or copying content from other sources. These lines can make a document look cluttered or unprofessional, but the good news is that removing them is very simple once you understand what they are and how they work in WPS Office. As you work on your document, you may notice different types of lines appearing between paragraphs or around text. These lines can come from various formatting actions, such as inserting borders or applying certain styles. Even though they may look like simple lines, they are actually borders applied to sections of your document. Understanding this makes it much easier to remove them correctly. To start, make sure your document is open in WPS Office and visible on your screen. Locate the lines you want to remove. Using your mouse, click just above the first line you want to get rid of. Hold down the mouse button, then slowly drag downward to cover all the lines you want to remove. As you drag, you will notice a shaded or gray highlight indicating that the area is selected. This selection step is important because it tells WPS Office exactly which part of the document you want to modify. Once the lines are selected, look for the Borders option in the toolbar. You will see a Borders icon with a small downward-facing triangle next to it. Click on that small arrow to open the Border Options menu. This menu shows different border styles that can be applied to your selection. From the list of options, choose the one labeled No Borders. As soon as you click it, all the selected lines will disappear at once. This works because you are removing the border formatting rather than deleting text, which keeps your document content intact and properly aligned. After removing the lines, take a moment to review your document to ensure everything looks clean and organized. If there are still lines in other sections, simply repeat the same process until all unwanted borders are gone. This method is efficient and saves time, especially when dealing with multiple lines across a document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.